I woke up this morning and was like, Bahamas, tropical, drinking mojitos and coconut water. Hey you guys, welcome back to my video. Ooh, I forgot I had a nail missing and I'm all up in the camera like. Hope that you guys are having a lovely Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. I hope there's something that you're grateful for, and if you're not, it's always great to be grateful for life, right? I'm grateful to be able to have hit 1,000 subscribers. I almost forgot. We in the K's now. But really grateful. It's just so crazy that I'm able to say that I'm grateful for hitting 1,000 subscribers on Thanksgiving. So I don't know, that's cute. We got a little wine, something, you know, it's not much, but I feel like it's an accomplishment for me. It's to you guys who have helped me to be able to get to 1,000 subscribers, because y'all are subscribing, y'all are tuning in, you know. Can't wait to see where else this channel goes and how we grow here. 5K is next. What's good? A lot of you guys have been asking me to remake this look that I posted on my Instagram, and I was in my last video with it, but it was more of like a concealer review. But you ask, I give. So today I'm gonna be doing this look for you guys. I've already done one eye so that you guys can kind of get a feel of what we're doing. I already got the side of my eyes done. Face, my base is already on, so we're just gonna be doing this eye. I am going to first start off by applying my Beauty Backerie Flour powder with Shop. I got the kid hooked, okay? And by the way, okay, boom. So the last video I reviewed the flour powder and the concealer. If you are looking to purchase this concealer, I would definitely recommend that you guys blend it out with a brush. It'll give you a lot better payoff, and you'll be able to see this perform a lot better than the way that it did in the review that I did. I'm gonna start off by just placing under my eyes, you know, can catch any fallout. I'm gonna be taking the P.Louise primer base. So I'm taking the Morphee, this gold, and okay, let me say the names. Big Bang, and I'm grabbing Beam Brow Highlight. Into the Juvia's Place palette, and this one is the Zulu palette. I'm gonna be grabbing the orange shade right up here. I have hooded eyes, so I kind of have to create a crease, you know what I mean? Now I'm going to go into my Morphee palette, and this one is the 35B palette. By the way, did anybody get the James Charles palette? Everyone is comparing it to the 35B palette and also comparing it to the original Artistry palette. I really like that palette. And my family or friends is watching, you know, go ahead, get the whole set if you want to. I'm going to be taking this hot pink shade right here. I'm going back into the orange shade. I'm just buffing out the edges of the pink just so that there's no harsh lines. Everything is seamless. It's purple shade from the same Juvia's Place palette. I'm swirling the brush around into the eyeshadow, and then I'm packing it on into that outer corner in circular motions and back and forth motions, just working it into my crease. I'm going back into the pink, and I'm just buffing out the purple shade and pick up this black shade with the same brush that we use for the purple. Little bit of depth in that outer corner. So to cut my crease, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and mine is in C4. The back of my hand. I'm picking up like a round flat brush. I feel like I cut a little too high up because now you can't see the purple behind it, but that's okay. Into this purple. 35B palette. The pink we used in the crease. Taking that orange right here. So now here is where we kind of get that blend. Okay, so you want to take your colors and just start kind of moving them into each other, like kind of folding them onto each other's section a little bit. I'm gonna take the same brush that I cut the crease with, but this time I'm only putting the concealer on the like edges of it, and I'm going to kind of just close to the lash line. First, so everything that we did is gonna happen in reverse. Eyeliner, mascara. I'm going to dust away the powder under my eyes and hopefully we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face and then I'll be back. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful to you guys, and I hope that you guys actually take the time to recreate this look. Kind of inappropriate for the season, but mwah.